Get ready to open your mind. Drones! They're no longer science fiction anymore. We're using drones to explore unknown new worlds. They're being tested on lonely highways and above. From the early days of radio-controlled hobbyists to missions on Mars and beyond, drones are already here, impacting our world from unmanned tasks, supermarkets, to mapping our communities and saving lives. Drones create fantastic new ways to explore and discover. Programmed to operate in other worlds and flown with tomorrow's technology today, drones are changing our world. Join us and open your mind to drone technologies.